Good morning, good morning. I got 10 minutes to get out this house and get to work. So we're gonna kind of rush through this portion real quick. So yesterday I went to Sephora because I ran out of the makeup I wanted. So I went and got some more foundation from Rihanna. And I've never bought one of these match sticks or contour sticks before, but I'm gonna be incorporating that. Hopefully this is the correct tone. It looked good when we did our little swatch, but I got work today, so get dressed and get to work. I'm hungry though, so being that the kid had no school today, I didn't really get up early. I got up later, so I ain't got time to really make something here. So I'm gonna run to, I don't know, I'm gonna see if my homegirl going to Dunkin' this morning and ask her if she could bring me a bagel twist and possibly an apple juice. So let me get this makeup done real quick. What's up? I don't know, I feel like every time I get in my craft room I get a little burst of energy, which I love. Don't mind my hair right now. Olivia's cooking and I'm assisting, so I like to lock my locks up, especially when I don't got a retwist because there's a little hairs everywhere. So this way we keep hair out of our food, you know. Anywho's, let me tell you about my day so far. Work was really good today. I feel like we didn't do much because not a lot of people was coming in because it's the day before Thanksgiving and we should be closed, but we're open anyway. So we opened half a day, which I am very appreciative of because normally we're scheduled for a full day and that just makes work so draining because we're there all day and not a lot of people come in, so it's not much to do, but it drags in that sense. I'm trying to look for my little lip stuff because my lip mad chapped. Hold on, let me get that right real quick. All right, so my lips ain't as dry as they just was 2 seconds ago, but today was a good work day. After work I did go to BJ's and I am on beverages for a holiday, so I'm going to my brother's house tomorrow for the holiday and my household is bringing beverages. So I went to BJ's, grabbed some things to drink. My husband's gonna pick up adult drinks and we ended up picking up a gosh darn Christmas tree today. It was not in the plans, nor did we budget for it, which is why I can never stick to a budget because it's like sometimes we just be in the store and like, we should get it now, look at each other like, should we? And then we just purchased a goddamn tree today. But my old tree I'm going to take to my dad's shop this weekend. I don't know if I'm gonna be vlogging throughout the weekend, but I am gonna bring my old tree down so that someone else could get a discounted tree from my pop shop. Ain't nothing wrong with my tree. My husband's just annoying, so he wanted a new tree this year, so we just purchased a new one. Damn, I be feeling like I be saying the same stuff to y'all when I watch the videos back and I'm editing. I'm like, why I be repeating stuff so much? That's Aggie. But that's just because I like to talk. But we are, I got my Christmas tree today. My baby had tutoring this afternoon, so while she was tutoring, I just was chilling, reading my book. When I tell y'all, this book, I don't know why I just got all up in your face, all real personal, but this book is too good. The drama is just taking me to new levels and I'm having a hard time because instead of studying like I should be, I've been reading this damn book and this book is so good. But let's go make sure the food's doing what it's supposed to do. Livia! Girl, aren't you cooking? Oh, I'm in his business. Why are you in his business? That's all I got. Now, I have 10 mLs of part A and part B. I'm about to just mix them together real quick. I'm saying real quick, but you want to mix it to the point where it's no more bubbles and it's not foggy. So I'm gonna be mixing until that's done. One thing that always excites me is when I put them both in the same container and the 10 plus 10 equals 20. So I know I was on point with my measurements. Yeah. Small accomplishments mean a lot in a little small business now. But yeah, I'm doing 20 mLs and let me speed through this tumbler because I have shown so many different tumblers on my channel already. I feel like the process of doing the epoxy may or may not be as interesting to watch step by step. So I'm gonna bang this out real quick and I shall return. You know what? I'm trying to do this whole vlog thing, but I be forgetting to bring y'all with me places. So me and Olivia been cooking dinner for forever, it seems. But what we ended up doing was sitting down and eating some nachos. So we just put some tortilla chips with the rest of the hamburger meat that was remaining with some cheese and some good stuff. And we sat at the table and just ate while we talked to my brother and sister-in-law. And now we just chilling. We're watching TV. So I'm just gonna close this vlog out and I shall see y'all in another one.